What's the meaning of amid? Amid. 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 Amid.
The word amid is a preposition that means in the middle of or surrounded by. It is often used to describe a situation where something is happening within a larger context. For example, you might say that a person is working diligently amid the chaos of a busy office, or that a city is developing rapidly amid concerns about pollution and environmental impact. The word amid suggests a sense of activity and movement, as if something is happening within a larger, more complicated landscape.